I just yelled at a car and said, "Hey, slow down." Whoa, it rocked. And that's probably not a wise skill. Hey, slow down is probably not something that I should yell out. Yeah, it's my value. My preference is to have people slow down, especially in a neighborhood. Kids, dogs, cats, squirrels, skaters. It's something that I need to think about for myself. Hey, slow down is an invitation to relax a little bit. Slow down to be able to feel the wind on your face, to notice colors, to notice cool sounds, to remember the presence of people, to stay connected to what's important and valuable. Hey, slow down.